Hi everyone, it's K-pop Girl again, and today I'm bringing you MCM EXO Collector's book unboxing. um, so I got a rate casing for the book. It's just a case. It's made out of cow leather, and also this card holder. Well, thank God MCM did not give me black because I did not want black at all. I'm not sure why, but I'm not into black color. And they also gave this extra, I don't think it's leather, it doesn't smell like one. But yeah, they inserted with a 1-year limited warranty. Um, well, they printed out the details inside so you don't have to worry. So the case, it comes with a box for this, and this one came in another box as well. It's like this paper box for the book, and a real MCM box for this card holder. So this is the MCM EXO Collector's book. It's quite heavy, and I don't know where I want to put it, but yeah. So I'm gonna break this into two parts. One part is only for EXO's picture, and the other part is for only the fans' messages. I'm not sure if I want to put up the fan messages, but if you guys ever want to see it, just comment below so that I know if I should upload the second part or not. So I'm just gonna go through this fast because my phone is being funny. It cannot take a big capacity of videos. Okay. Why isn't it clear? Okay. So they don't name the pages after numbers. It's actually named after episodes. Well, Luhan is inside the photo book, so for those Luhan fans, don't worry at all. There's also Dear Luhan messages. So they started off with EXO K. I'm not giving out any sounds. I am so sorry. So, and then XOM, Luhan. I'm just being excited because he is still in the photo book. There's no music. I'm sorry. Yep, and that's all for according to groups. And then behind, sorry, I'll have to turn this around, I think. Ta-da! I think that's like backstage photos, which are really pretty actually. Like Tao always gets attention anywhere he goes. Anywhere he goes. Ooh. You see him? Aw, Sehun is concentrating. Look! His dimples. Ooh, one whole page for Baekhyun. Shumin looks like a boss. Like a boss. Ha ha ha. I don't know why this picture came out. Well, probably they want to advertise MCM. I do not know who is that. Ah. Turn back. Okay, I love pink, and to see Dio, the only one who's like a little like a real man in EXO, shining on a pink bag is so astonishing. He's so cute. Wait. Okay. I think Tao's picture is quite a lot. Ooh, oh my god, it's dark. Ooh, Luhan. Like. Love. Hearts. Aww. Ooh. One whole page. Oh. Aww. You know, Kai's hair is so greasy. It looks like. I don't know, but to me it's really greasy. Ah! One whole big page for Shumi. Tao. I actually like this design, but I've never seen it before. Yeah, so the next one is actually Message to EXO. It has all of the 10 members, but I'm not gonna go through it. I'm just gonna go through the back of the book, which I don't understand. What is that? Oh, they actually have a limited serial number. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.